How are you? We're glad you're back at Wealthy Coin. Holy crap. Before you buy any Shiba Inu coins, you should watch this movie. New Shib. After its recent big move, Shiba Inu price has been looking for months to find a good support level. Shib hasn't found a stable foothold yet, even though the last rise helped. But things are getting better as the meme coin gets ready for a wild move. We will talk about Holy Shib in this movie. Before you buy any Shiba Inu coins, you should watch this movie. Weird news. Remember to smash the thumbs up, share our content, and sign up for the channel to see what's new. The price of Shiba Inu has been above the 118 cents support level for more than a month, ever since it broke through this level on August 5. It stayed above it for a while before setting off a 50% rise. Even though the price of Shiba Inu lost these gains in the days that followed, it still traded above the sloping trend line and a horizontal support level at 118 cents. But on September 15, Shib broke through this point of convergence. This showed that a decline had begun. If this trend keeps going, the price of Shiba Inu is likely to drop by 25% and fill the gap between 83 cents and 93 cents. From a short-term point of view, it will give the long-term rising play a place to start. But if the price of Shiba Inu does a U-turn and a daily candlestick closes above 118 cents, it will show that the bears are weakening. If this barrier turns into a support level, the bearish view will no longer be true. If this happens, the run up to 179 cents could start before the Shiba Inu price is ready. Bone. One of the local tokens for Shiba Inu rose by 20% today, reaching a new intraday high of $1.37. As the date of the Shibarium public beta testnet start gets closer, investors keep putting more pressure on the token to buy it. If nothing changes, the testnet should be up and running by the end of the month. The token's price hit a high of $1.77 earlier this week, and it has gone up by 87% in the last 30 days. So, people who put in Bone last month have seen their money grow by almost twice as much. Since July 2022, the price of Bones has been going up. In less than a month, it went from 48 cents to $1.10. Before the end of the next week, Bones' price would probably be worth $2. Over the past 3 months, Bones' price has doubled, giving buyers a huge return on their money. The company that is building the Shibarium Layer 2 network, Unification Fund, says that Bone will be the control token for the network. By next week, the instructions for the Layer 2 network will be available. The company said that the Bone token is used to pay for petrol on the Shibarium network, which makes it a great choice for the Shiba Inu community. Still, we don't know when the Shibarium network will start up for sure. The team only said this month would be the start date. It makes sense that buyers are buying more Bone tokens in order to get a head start on the market before Shibarium goes live. Investors think that the price of Bones could keep going up because the token could be used in the Shibarium network. So, if the price went up, these buyers would get more money back. Bone will keep getting more attention from buyers until the Shib team says when the Layer 2 network will go live. According to the most recent information, Bone is trading at $1.37 right now and has gone up 10.9% in the last 24 hours. But it is still 91.3% below its highest price, which was $15.50 in July 2021. The Shib team said at the beginning of the month that there would be a limit of 230 million Bone coins. So, the Bone symbol could not be made again. Even though the highest number of Bones is still 250 million, the last 20 million are used to make validators for gas and Shibarium. Bone's price went up a lot last month after news that it would be listed on an exchange. It was one of the best performing cryptocurrencies that month. Shiba Inu is an altcoin that is built on Ethereum. Its mascot is the Shiba Inu, a breed of hunting dog from Japan. Because of a simple question, the idea was made. What would happen if the community of a coin project was in charge of it all? Ryoshi, the founder of cryptocurrency, says that it was made as an experiment in building a group without a central leader. Ryoshi says that if everyone works together in a decentralized way, they can make something much stronger than a centralized team could. Ryoshi picked the Ethereum blockchain to build the Shiba Inu ecosystem because it was already safe and well-known, so the project could stay decentralized. Shiba Inu was the most talked about cryptocurrency recently, as joke coins went through a. There was a big run on the market, and some stocks went up as much as 30% in just one day. Hitoshi Kazama, who is in charge of making Shiba Swap, said on Twitter that he is ready to talk about more information about the Shiba Inu Eternity game. He says that he will be on the Discord server to talk about anything about the new mobile game. He told investors not to miss his passionate speech and said that tomorrow at 9 p.m. PST, he would stop the chat to talk about forever. You can find me on Discord. I'll stop the chat so we can talk about Shiba forever and everything that goes with it. You won't want to miss my passionate speech and description of what I think will happen to Shib in the future. Hail, Shib. He tweeted about Shiba Army. Hitoshi didn't say anything more about what would happen to Shib in this tweet. We will have to wait and watch the Discord group for more information about it. Also, the Shiba Eternity game will probably be talked about on Thursday at 9 a.m. PST through Discord. Also, the Eternity mobile game could come out first because it can be tested in Vietnam and Australia. Unification X Fund said in their blog that Shibarium public beta testnet might also come out this month, but it's likely that the other projects won't come out until 2023 or later. David Goldstein, who started Goldstein Media and ran for Congress in the US, gave credit to the Shiba Inu community for starting the burn craze in the crypto environment. Goldstein says that Shib was the start of the whole burn trend after Shiba Inu fell from its all-time high of 8,616 cents. People in the community said that its low price and failure to recover were caused by its high maximum supply. They forced the team to let people burn tokens on their own, so buyers could send coins to a wallet that couldn't be recovered. Investors who are worried think that a drop in supply would cause prices to go up. The Shiba Inu group has burned 60 billion tokens so far, and they are still keeping track. The token burn is not expected to have an immediate effect on the price of Shiba Inus, especially in a bear market. But the effects of it will be seen in the future. For now, it's more important for Shib's price to stay above support at 1,040 cents and make up at least 1,800 cents of the ground it lost. Shiba Inu's price needs to break free from the strong bearish chains that are keeping it from recovering by getting past the support at the middle boundary of the descending channel. But until the ship pulls above the channel, traders will have to deal with the possibility of more drops below 1,000 cents into the blocks on-chain measure. Shows that there are a lot of sellers around 1,100 cents, and that about 11,005 addresses have already bought $66.62 trillion Shib tokens in the range. A strong resistance like this means that the market won't be able to rebound much because investors will sell when they reach their own break-even points. On the other hand, the lack of solid support areas throws doubt on Shiba Inu's price, which has been pinned to a floor price. Until a sustained breakout happens, traders should be careful. Creators and developers of Shiba Inu have worked